Is your dryer taking forever? You may have a dryer inefficient drying problem in Boca West, Florida. When your dryer isn't drying properly, it's usually caused by restricted airflow from lint buildup in your vent system. Dryer Vent Wizard of Boca Raton specializes in solving inefficient drying problems quickly and professionally. If you're dealing with dryer inefficient drying in Boca West, Florida, your system may be clogged, damaged, or improperly installed. Our expert technicians provide dryer vent cleaning, repair, and installation to restore performance and safety. Schedule service now at dryerventwizard.com/location/Boca Raton. Call today, 561-287-8602. Dryer Vent Wizard of Boca Raton. Dry faster, safer, and more efficiently.